How to make a video call on Signal. Open the Signal private messenger on your phone, ready to see your friend face to face securely. Tap on the contact you want to video call. If you haven't chatted with them yet, tap on the pencil icon and scroll down and tap the contact you want to video call with. In the chat window, tap the video camera icon at the top right. That's a secure video call option. Signal will connect the call. Once your friend answers, you can see and talk to them in real time. Just like a mini virtual hangout, you can switch cameras, mute your microphone, or enable speaker using the icon on the screen. Signal keeps your call private and secure. When you are done, tap the red end call button, and that's it. Easy, private, and fun. And that's how you can make a video call on Signal. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it so your friend can start secure video chats too. Happy chatting, and thank you for watching.